Welcome to the Borbo Life. Today we have planned to remodel our aquarium. You guys have already seen how our old aquarium looked. Before we start remodeling, we need to empty the whole aquarium. At first, we have moved all the fishes in a tub and we have to move all the plants and the decorative stones and everything to a separate place. Once we have removed everything from the tank, I'll change the thermocol and the table cover, everything, so that we can give it a better look or a new look. After placing a new cover, I have cut the thermocol as per the table size. We are putting aquarium soil for making the base for planting all the plants. We already had Java plant. Now we bought one red plant and it's time to put the plants. We got Rotala, moss, coin plant and lucky bamboo at this moment. A small aquarium tip: if we put the plants in the tub, it will look better and have a better shape. It's not ready yet, but it is looking amazing. Let's put all the small pebbles to make it better. Adding white sand will give it a different look. We tried giving a snowy look. It's time to add water. We cannot add the water directly. It would affect the design. So we are using a container cap. We'll put the fish back in using the same technique so that the fish don't have trace. At the end, we'll put some salt to balance the pH of the water. It will help in fish's survival. Now you can see the water is bit muddied or hazy, but you have to give it 24 hours to get it clean. After 24 hours, all fishes are looking very good. We made it at the cheapest cost. This is the best result. Comment your thoughts and subscribe the channel for more.